You guys saying Home Sweet Home, right? But you know, that's the G-Dragon track. That's not my track. I'm just featuring his song. My part is very short. Very short, my t-shirts, you know? That's really short. I can't sing that alone. Maybe next time. Okay, I promise next time, when I come to Singapore again,
Bring G-Dragon.
as you wish, I'm gonna take my shirt off. Then my pants take off. That's the option. Anyway, okay, next time I'm gonna say Home Sweet Home for you. But not here. So let's just pray. Let's just pray.